In this week's For Your Health, Cryo Beauty Xtreme Aesthetics in Southlake, Texas shows us their top 3 favorite patient treatments for looking and feeling better this holiday season.
Cryotherapy, or cold, it's the Greek word for cold, is cryo. So cold therapy helps bring down inflammation in the body to revitalize collagen at the cellular level, increasing blood flow, tightness, firmness, elasticity of the skin, and creating a lifting effect, a firming effect, and a beautiful glow to your skin. So we're not just fixing the outside, we're also doing it at the cellular level and increase healing at a higher and exponential rate for wellness, for health, and for beauty.
Number 1, the Cryo Lifting Facial.
So our Cryo Lifting Facial, it's using cold temperatures on the skin to stimulate blood flow, increase oxygen to the actual skin. So we're boosting collagen, we're strengthening the elastin fibers in the skin, which then lifts and firms the skin with no downtime. No downtime. After the age of 30, you're losing about 2% of collagen a year. That's crazy, and that's a lot. So we're taking cryotherapy and we're channeling it into different avenues for beauty and aesthetics.
Number 2, body firming with electromuscle stimulation.
So what we're doing on this device right here is the electromuscle stimulation. It uses supramaxillary contractions. It's getting deeper into the muscle to allow the strengthening of the muscle fibers. And after, like say for the abdomen that we were working on, you feel like you had 20,000 crunches. That's how much muscle building that we can do in a 30-minute session without having to go to the gym and do 20,000 crunches. And the best part is we can work on multiple parts of the body, any muscle group you want. From the arms, to the abs, to the glutes, to the hips, to the legs, you name it. So it's doing something that normally we're not gonna get in the gym on a regular basis to that muscle to help build it, to help strengthen it, and helps engage the muscles in a very powerful way.
Number 3, anti-aging with red light therapy.
So what we're using today is the Soluma red light. It's just one of the many red lights out there, but I love Soluma because it's medical grade and it gets deeper into the tissues. So when you think of red light, you think of sun rays and outward light that we see, or light in a light bulb. There are light-emitting diodes, light waves that we don't always recognize and see in the environment, but we can harness them into a bulb that creates positive things for the body. Whereas blue light might be negative for the eyes, where red light is positive for the skin. It's gonna penetrate deeper through the epidermis and the dermis to the hypodermis to the cell, getting into the mitochondria of the cell, the battery of your cell, helping recharge it, boosting collagen, helping with repairing damaged skin, whether that be sun damage, that be lines and wrinkles forming underneath the tissue you haven't even seen yet, whatever it may be, this is going to be powerful to get into that battery of the cell, regenerate it, revitalize it, make it more robust and full, and help it heal the body faster. Thus, a very good benefit for anti-aging and wound healing. You can just go to our website and you can look at all of the many different devices and services that we offer, choose the one that you like, click the link for scheduling an appointment, and we do free consultations, and then from there, we can create a plan for you regarding what you want to achieve with your body goals and dreams. Be ready to be bold and be extra.
See more For Your Health segments at homeandlifestyletv.com.